He was twice my size, but he bounced off. I absorb his pressure, my foot boils, the pressure goes into the earth, and from the back leg to the front leg, I release, and there he goes. So this is a story of how the mind overpowers muscle, and people talk of mind over body, but can they demonstrate it? I've trained under renowned Shifu and coached top movement coaches on Instagram, and one of the things you learn in internal martial arts like Tai Chi is that you must use the mind and not rely on brute force. You do not rely only on your muscular strength, but surely the more muscles means more strength. Maybe, but how come he can't move me? Look at him, taller, bigger, but he's struggling. Why? What is going on? So the answer is simple. I'm not fighting brute force with brute force. The muscular tension in my body is regulated, and so when he pushes harder, I can easily redirect his pressure. I release, relax my central nervous system, and my mind and body operate as one. I am united while he's divided. One integral strength. And yielding refers to the heart or heart mind, which also has neurons. So when your breathing slows and your heart rate settles, the body shifts away from fight or flight. This activates the parasympathetic nervous system, especially through the vagus nerve. And using intent, your attention brings everything to the ground, allowing energy to rise and flow up. It flows down and then up, following your attention, and where the mind goes, energy flows. Now, through standing meditation, it's one of the many ways to learn to calm the heart mind, to rouse energy and raise the spirit. In the description or the pinned comment is a link to the free tutorial as an introduction to these methods.